Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Clips, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and full of great conversations.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone watching. How are you doing today, Emily?
I'm doing really well, thank you, Michael. The weather is beautiful today, and that always makes me feel happy. How about you?
I'm great, too. You're right. Nice weather can totally change your mood. Today it's bright, sunny, and not too hot here.
That sounds lovely. I think good weather makes people more positive. You see more smiles everywhere when the sun is out.
Absolutely. So what are we talking about today, Emily?
Today's topic is something we all experience every single day, the weather.
Ah, yes, the weather. One of the most common topics in daily English conversation. People talk about it everywhere, at work, at school, even with strangers in the elevator.
Exactly. Talking about the weather is a great way to start a friendly conversation. So, let's begin.
Good idea. So, Emily, what's the weather like where you are right now?
Let me see. It's sunny but a bit windy today. The sky is blue and there are just a few clouds. It feels really nice outside.
That sounds perfect. Here it's also sunny, but the air is warm. Not hot, just the kind of day you want to go for a walk or have lunch outdoors.
That's the best kind of weather. Not too hot, not too cold, just right.
Exactly. Sunny weather always puts me in a good mood. I like to go jogging or sit in the park with an iced coffee.
That sounds relaxing. I usually like to read a book or listen to music outside on sunny days. Sometimes I even bring a picnic blanket and enjoy lunch in the park.
That's nice. You know, sunny weather reminds me of summer vacations, beaches, picnics, barbecues, and long evenings.
Yes, and don't forget ice cream. I love having ice cream on a warm day.
Me too. What's your favorite flavor?
Strawberry. And yours?
Chocolate, of course. Classic and delicious.
So, do you like hot weather, Michael?
Well, I enjoy it, but only if I'm near the beach or a pool. Otherwise, when it's too hot, I just want to stay inside with the air conditioner on.
Same here. When it's really hot, even walking outside feels like an exercise. But at the beach, it's perfect. You can swim, relax, and drink something cold.
Exactly. I love swimming in the sea and feeling the waves. And in the evening, watching the sunset by the water. That's beautiful.
That sounds amazing. But you know, not every day is sunny. Sometimes we get cloudy weather too.
True. Cloudy days are interesting. The sky turns gray and calm. Some people say it looks sad, but I think it's peaceful.
I agree. I actually like cloudy days sometimes. It's not too bright and the air feels cool. It's a nice time for reading, taking pictures, or going for a quiet walk.
Yes, and photographers love cloudy days because the light is soft. No harsh shadows.
Exactly. But when the clouds get darker, that means rain is coming.
Yes. Speaking of rain, do you like rainy weather, Emily?
I like it if I'm indoors. I don't enjoy walking in the rain, but I love the sound of it. The pitter-patter on the windows is very calming.
Same here. Rainy days are perfect for staying home, drinking hot tea or coffee, and watching a movie.
And reading a book under a blanket. So cozy.
Absolutely. But when I was a kid, I loved going outside in the rain. I would jump in puddles with my rain boots on.
I used to do that too. My mom always told me, "Don't get wet," but I couldn't resist. Jumping in puddles was so much fun.
That's such a fun childhood memory. And rain is good for the world. It makes the plants grow and keeps everything green.
Very true. After it rains, everything looks fresh and alive. Even the air smells clean. That lovely smell of rain on the ground.
Oh, yes. There's even a word for that smell. Petrichor.
Really? I didn't know that. Petrichor. That's a new word for our viewers to learn.
Exactly. Now, what about windy weather? Do you like windy days, Emily?
Yes, especially in autumn when the leaves are falling. The wind makes them dance in the air. It looks so beautiful.
That's true, but sometimes the wind is too strong. I once lost my hat because of a strong wind. It flew away and I had to chase it down the street.
That must have looked funny. But windy days can be fun too. You can fly kites or just enjoy the breeze.
That's right. A gentle wind feels nice on your face, especially after a hot day.
Now let's talk about cold weather.
Cold weather. Time for coats, scarves, and gloves. I actually like it when it's cold, especially if it's snowing.
Yes, snow is magical. Everything turns white and soft. It looks like a fairy tale.
Exactly. I remember making snowmen when I was little, with a carrot for the nose and buttons for the eyes.
That's adorable. I used to do that too. And snowball fights. So much fun, even though my hands were freezing.
Same here. But after playing in the snow, nothing beats a cup of hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate with marshmallows. Delicious. That's the best part of winter.
So, Emily, do you like winter overall?
I like it when it's not too long. A few weeks of snow is nice, but after that I start missing the sun.
I understand. Winter can be beautiful, but sometimes it's hard when it's dark and cold for too many days.
Yes, that's why I love spring. The weather becomes warmer, the flowers bloom, and everything feels new again.
Spring is one of my favorites, too. It's like the world is waking up after a long nap.
Exactly. Birds are singing, trees are green, and the air smells fresh. It's a great time to be outside.
And don't forget, spring rain helps the flowers grow.
Right. So, if you think about it, every season and every kind of weather has something special.
That's a beautiful thought. Sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, they all make life colorful.
And they all give us new words and expressions to learn in English.
Good point. For example, it's raining cats and dogs. That means it's raining very heavily.
Yes. Or it's a bit chilly today, which means it's a little cold.
Exactly. And when it's very hot, we say it's boiling or it's scorching hot.
We can also say it's freezing for very cold weather, or it's breezy when there's a gentle wind.
Nice examples. English has so many fun expressions about the weather.
That's why learning about the weather is great for English beginners. It's something we talk about every day.
So true. And it's an easy topic to practice with your friends or teachers.
Exactly. You can start your day by saying, "Good morning. How's the weather today?"
Yes. Simple, friendly, and very natural.
Before we finish, let's quickly talk about extreme weather, like thunderstorms or fog.
Good idea. Thunderstorms can be scary but also exciting. The sound of thunder and flashes of lightning are powerful.
Yes, and fog can make everything look mysterious. You can't see far, and the world feels quiet.
Right. And in some countries, people experience very different weather. Deserts with extreme heat, or places where it rains almost every day.
That's true. Learning about the weather also helps you understand different parts of the world and cultures.
Exactly. So, friends watching, what's the weather like where you are today?
And what kind of weather do you like the most? Sunny, rainy, or snowy? Tell us in the comments below.
We'd love to read your answers.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Clips like this video and share it with your friends.
Yes, keep practicing your English and enjoy every kind of weather.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye for now.